In this video, I'll show you how to fix a Dell laptop that keeps shutting down randomly. First, open the search bar and type Advanced System Settings, then click on View Advanced System Settings. In the new window, go to the Startup and Recovery section and click Settings. Now make sure Automatically Restart is unchecked. If it's enabled, turn it off and click OK. Next, open the search bar again and type Edit Power Plan, then open it. Click Restore Default Settings for this plan and confirm by clicking Yes. After that, click Choose what the power buttons do on the left side. Now select Change Settings that are currently unavailable. If Turn on Fast Startup is enabled, uncheck it and click Save Changes. If the problem still continues, right-click the Start menu and open Device Manager. Expand the Battery section. Right-click each battery entry and select Uninstall Device. Once done, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the battery drivers after rebooting. That's it. These steps should help fix random shutdown issues on your Dell laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.